Someone at that gas station is watching you overpay and saying absolutely nothing. Every single time you pull up to that pump, you're walking straight into a system engineered to drain your wallet, and you don't even realize it's happening right in front of your eyes. This video exposes 9 pump tricks gas stations are counting on you to never find out, and by the end you'll never look at that little screen the same way again. Some of these mistakes are quietly costing you hundreds of dollars a year, while others could leave you stranded on the highway with a $1,500 repair bill you never saw coming. Stick around because trick number 1 is the one almost nobody knows about, and it might already be happening to you right now. Trick number 9, the summer blend switch. You've probably noticed your fuel bill creeping up every June without your driving habits changing at all, and that's not a coincidence, that's a trap set up years in advance. Refineries switched to a more expensive summer blend formulated to reduce smog, and stations quietly pass that inflated cost onto you while pretending nothing changed at all. According to the Energy Information Administration, this seasonal switch adds up to 15 cents more per gallon, and most drivers never question why their favorite station suddenly feels more expensive. Over a full driving season, that hidden markup can quietly cost you an extra $60 to $90 without you ever noticing a single receipt. You're paying a hidden tax disguised as a normal price fluctuation, and gas stations are counting on you never connecting the dots. Fill up in late April before the switch hits and you pocket the difference instead of handing it straight to the corporation. Trick number 8, the false bottom scam. You watch the numbers spin on that pump and trust them completely, but the National Institute of Standards and Technology inspects thousands of pumps every single year and consistently finds a shocking percentage rigged to shortchange you. In 2023 alone, inspectors across multiple states flagged pumps shorting customers by as much as 5 to 10 cubic inches per transaction, and that adds up to real money over a full year of fill-ups. Multiply that theft across millions of transactions nationwide, and you start to understand just how much of a financial disaster this really is for everyday drivers like you. You're trusting a machine that has zero incentive to be honest with you, and the station knows most drivers will never bother filing a formal complaint. This isn't a glitch, this is a calculated bet that you're too busy, too tired, or too distracted to check. Look for that little inspection sticker on the pump, because if it's missing or expired, you're gambling with your own hard-earned money. Trick number 7, the Octane Upsell at the counter. You walk in for a coffee and the attendant casually mentions your engine will run smoother on premium, and that small offhand comment is designed to cost you real money every single week. The American Automobile Association has confirmed that over 16 million drivers waste more than $2 billion a year buying premium fuel their engine simply doesn't require. Your owner's manual, not a stranger behind the counter chasing a commission, is the only authority you should ever trust here. Consumer Reports even ran extensive testing and found that premium offers zero measurable advantage in engines that don't specifically require it, proving this upsell is pure profit and nothing more. That extra 60 to 90 cents per gallon isn't protecting your engine, it's protecting their profit margin at your expense. Believe the sticker under your hood, not the smile at the register. Trick number 6, the receipt that vanishes. You tap your card, drive off, and never think twice about that transaction again, and that blind spot is exactly what a corrupt pump is built to exploit. Skimming devices planted directly inside pump card readers have been found by the Secret Service at thousands of locations nationwide, silently draining bank accounts long after you've already left the lot. Victims report discovering fraudulent charges weeks later, sometimes losing thousands of dollars before their bank even flags the suspicious activity. This isn't a rare occurrence either. Federal investigators have called pump skimming one of the fastest-growing forms of financial fraud in the entire country. You're handing over your financial information to a slot that could already be compromised, and you'd have zero way of knowing in the moment. Wiggle that card reader before you swipe, because a loose panel is your only warning before financial disaster strikes. Trick number 5, the Mystery Additive Fee. You see a price advertised on that towering sign, but the number you actually pay at checkout rarely matches, and stations are betting you're too rushed to argue about a few cents. Hidden card processing surcharges, quietly tacked onto the advertised cash price, can inflate your total by 10 cents a gallon or more without a single warning sign posted anywhere in sight. Consumer complaints filed with state attorney general offices show this exact bait and switch happening at thousands of locations every single year across the country. Over time, Drivers who never check the pump screen end up bleeding out an extra $50 to $100 annually without ever realizing where it went. You're being lured in by a number that was never actually meant for you in the first place. Always check the pump screen before you swipe, because the sign out front is a promise gas stations rarely intend to keep. Trick number 4, the contaminated tank gamble. You assume every gallon flowing through that hose is clean, tested fuel, but aging underground storage tanks are a ticking time bomb most drivers never even think about. The Environmental Protection Agency has documented tens of thousands of leaking underground tank cases nationwide, where water and rust silently contaminate fuel long before it ever reaches your car. Owners report clogged fuel filters, failed fuel pumps, and mysterious check engine lights appearing within days of filling up at a compromised, poorly maintained station. This isn't just an inconvenience either. Contaminated fuel can trigger a cascading failure through your entire fuel system if left unaddressed. A ruined fuel pump alone can cost you $400 to $1,500 to replace, and that's money you never budgeted for and never saw coming. Stick to high-volume, high-traffic stations, because fresh turnover is your only real defense against a contaminated tank. Trick number 3, the prepay rounding trap. You tell the cashier to run $40 on pump 3, thinking you're firmly in control of the transaction, but prepay setups are quietly designed to work against you. If your tank fills before hitting that dollar amount, some stations are painfully slow refunding the difference back to your card, sometimes taking 3 to 5 business days while your own money sits frozen. You're essentially giving them an interest-free loan every single time you prepay, and most drivers never stop to realize it. Multiply that small delay across every fill-up for an entire year, and you're routinely financing a corporation's cash flow for free. That's not convenience, that's a quiet financial disadvantage engineered directly into the system. Pay at the pump directly with a card whenever you can, because control over your own money should never be optional. Trick number 2, the free air pump illusion. You roll up to that coin-operated air pump expecting a quick, honest fill, but a shocking number of these machines are poorly calibrated and reading pressure completely wrong. Consumer Reports has flagged inconsistent, unreliable readings at self-service air stations as a recurring nationwide problem, leaving drivers with dangerously underinflated or overinflated tires without ever knowing it. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has directly linked underinflated tires to blowouts, and a blowout at highway speed isn't just expensive, it's genuinely life-threatening. Research also shows that for every 1 psi drop across your tires, fuel economy drops too, meaning that broken air pump is silently costing you twice over. You're trusting a rusted coin-operated machine with your family's safety, and that's a gamble no 30 seconds of convenience is worth taking. Carry your own digital tire gauge, because your life shouldn't depend on a machine nobody has serviced in years. Trick number 1, the loyalty app data harvest. You download that gas station's app chasing 5 cents off per gallon, feeling like you finally beat the system for once, but you just handed over something far more valuable than a nickel. These apps quietly track your location, your driving patterns, and your spending habits around the clock, and that data gets sold to third parties for far more than the discount ever saved you. Privacy researchers have repeatedly flagged fuel loyalty apps for aggressive background tracking that most users never notice buried deep inside the terms of service. Some of these apps have even been caught sharing location history with data brokers who resell it to insurance companies, potentially raising your premiums without you ever knowing why. You think you're winning a 5-cent discount, but you're actually the product being quietly sold behind your back. That tiny discount is bait, and gas stations know exactly how much your privacy is worth to them, even if you don't. Now you know the 9 pump tricks gas stations have been counting on you never discovering, and every single one of them was carefully designed to drain your wallet while you weren't paying attention. From rigged pumps to contaminated tanks to apps quietly selling your data, the pattern is always the same: they profit from what you don't check. If this video just saved you from becoming their next victim, hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm not done exposing every trick they're pulling on you. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching this from, because I want to know exactly how many of you almost fell for these traps without even realizing it.